Yeah, a little text. Just make it a T. Just okay. And I think that'll work for now. What you want to do is copy it.
And I do that by hitting the control button and dragging, and
okay.
it duplicates it.
All right, and then yeah, pull it out a little bit. No, just give it a little bit of thickness. Yeah, and then loft nerve it. Okay, now we did something the other day, and I went back to do it again, and it didn't work. I wanted to get an array, adding 5 more to lay them down and give it to me in that pattern. And you did something with the axis.
All right. So, look, if we do an array, it always responds to the axis of the object.
Okay.
Okay. So if we do an array here, and we do, I forget how you do this anyway. Do you have to?
I just grab everything and drag it into the array.
All right, there you go. Now, that's it. So, first of all, the first thing we did was we made this into an object. Right? We said we made it editable, or current state to object, sort of the same thing. And then we turned that into connect. Right? So, we're going to take all these and just throw them away. And you got an array loft. Okay? Now, if you look at the original, if you click the loft nerves and you look at it, you've got this. Now, watch what happens. I think this is true. Let's find out. Point is that I am now adjusting the axis of the object. I am not adjusting the original object nor the array. Okay? So in other words, everything you see in the array is responsive to the axes of the original object. Make sense? And that's all I did. And for example, if I even take this axes and move it up, it will also move those. In other words, everything that the program does in regards to array is not from the object, but is from the object's axes.
Okay.
Now let's take this another step. There are times when you're going to want to use instance instead of times when you're going to use instance, and that's an instance of the original loft nerves, because I can do anything. For example, I can copy that instance a couple of times. All right? And the instance has some interesting qualities to it. All right, so I got 3 instances. So that means that I can take this and make them all different. But it still has that same sort of magical, I don't know what you call it, magical, it's very low weight.
Low weight.
In other words, this whole thing is not, this is 7 objects there in the array. It only has the computational weight of 1 object.
Just, yeah, I remember seeing
it's something like flashes and instances. This is also true. It only has the computational weight of a fraction. It's not 3 T's, it's just 1 T. And it only has the computational weight of that 1 T.
Okay. All right.